Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to download movies, web series and TV shows free of charge. So let's start. So first of all, open browser on your system and then type moviesverse.co, or you can get the link from the description. Then here you can see this is the website, or these ads are sometimes. And now you can see there have the list of movies. You can select from the categories, or you can see the genre, or yearly you can select. They have the quality, TV shows, web series, Netflix and Amazon Prime both. So or you can just go for typing and search your movie. So like I'm typing John Wick, and here you can see the results. Then I'm going to download this movie to show you how. So here you can see they have the rating of the movie, movie info, storyline, and they have also shared the screenshots. So here you can see they have the three qualities: 480, 720 and 1080p. So we are going to download this, and here you can see you have to wait for some seconds, and then you have to click on G Direct. Here they will redirect you to the new page, and you have to click to verify, and then you have to wait for us time. And then you have to click to generate link. Then you have to wait for a little while. Then you have to go on get download link, and here if you slide down you can see the download button, and if you click on it your movie will start to download automatically. So you have to save it in your system, and you can see movie has already started to download. If you found this video useful, then hit like and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press bell icon so that you can be notified with such informative videos in the near future. Alright, bye then.